Coming up next, we have Ballers Garage. On today's episode of Ballers Garage, LA Lakers Julius Randle is not only living his dream, but he bought his dream car, that is. The former Kentucky star rewarded himself with an all-black Porsche Panamera. Man, that ride is so slick, one can mistake it for a Batmobile at night. Now, Julius, for how well you're playing so far, you deserve it. And because you're a rising star and you have good taste in vehicles, your Porsche earns 4.8 out of 5 stars. Keep up your great game both on the court and off, and keep riding. Well, that was another great episode of Champions Basketball Show. I hope you guys out there in the dog pound enjoyed it as much as we did. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and Instagram at JunkyardDogJW and at Helen Yee Sports. Also, don't forget to watch the exclusive footage at www.cbn.vegas. See you next time.
The fans scream when he's off the leash, taking it to the streets, giving back to kids. It's the Junkyard Dog, let the games begin. Ever since Georgetown, he sparked the crowd. With his pockets, his trademark, the fans go wild. Bring the crowds till they freaking you feel this energy in the dog pound. Such is the place to be. 6 feet 9 inches and bad to the bone. It's the Junkyard Dog in New York. Come home, everybody, come on, bark with me. Throw your hands in the air for the JY.